নমস্কার from Kolkata. Welcome back to Basic Bangla. Aami ekjon chhatro. I am a student. So I becomes Aami in Bengali. I means Aami, first person singular number. This Aami has two very closely related words. You must know that, otherwise you cannot talk at all. These words are Aamar and Aamake. So Aami, Aamar, Aamake, these three words make a triangle. What is Aamar? Aamar is possessive, my, and determiner also. Aamar boy, Aamar bari, house. Aamader, my country. So this way, Aami and Aamar, these are two very closely related words, and then Aamake, this is the object form of first person singular number I. Aamake, Aamake dao, give me. Aamake ekta boi dao, give me a book. This way, I, mine, and me, Aami, Aamar, Aamake, these three words come very close together. Similarly, when we come to this side, that means plural side, we have we. We means Aamra. This we again has two very closely related words that come very frequently whenever you talk something. That is Aamader. We means Aamra in Bengali, and Aamader means our. So, our village, Aamader gram. Our country, Aamader desh. Our garden, Aamader bagan. This way, Aamader becomes possessive and determiner. Come to Aamaderke, that means us. Give us something. Give us a book. Amaderke kichu dao. Give us a book. Amader ekta boi dao. Give us some books. Amader kichu boi dao. Amader ekta boi dao. Amader kichu boi dao means give us some books. So again, Aamra, Aamader, Aamaderke, these three words again come very close together whenever you try to speak something in the Bengali language. Now see more examples. Aami daba kheli means I play chess. But one interesting thing is this. In English, subject comes first, and then we have verb, and then object. But in Bengali, this is something very different. Subject comes first, and then object, and finally we have verb. When I say I play football, Aami ball kheli. In English term, it becomes I football play. So Aami football kheli. Aami boi pori. I book read. Now, Aami boi pori. I read books. Aamra daba kheli. Plural. We play chess. Aamra daba kheli. And Aamra boi pori. We read books. The same logic is there. Okay? Subject, then object, then verb. Now come to the second Aamar. Aamar boy, my book, no problem. Aamar bari, my house, no problem. But there is slightly difficult area. In English, when I say Aamar ekta boi ache, in that case, in English it becomes I have a book. I have a book, or we have books, right? So we use first person singular number as the subject, and again here first person plural number as the subject. I have books. We have books. But we say in Bengali, in terms of English, if you try to understand, my have books, our have books, that is Aamar boi ache, Aamader boi ache. And finally, Aamake ekta boi dao, give me a book. You are asking for a book. Give me a book. Give me a book. Again, book, that is the object that comes later in English. In Bengali, Aamake ekta boi dao. Aamake, me, that comes first. Me, Aamake, ekta one, boi, book, dao, give. Aamaderke kono kaj dao, give us some books, same logic. This is singular number and this is plural number. I think this much today. I'm not going to complicate things. So we have learned I means Aami. Aamar means my, and Aamake means me, singular number. And in the plural number, Aamra, we, Aamader, our, and Aamaderke, us. Okay? Next day we'll see the second person, and this will help you understand the pattern and then the language. So, thank you very much. Have a nice time. See you soon.